Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to walk through a new topic, and the topic is how to find and add products to Shopify for drop shipping. So here, as you can see, we already created an account, so I will just log in here. Once I log in here, then I will get the admin panel. So here I just want to add my login, like I just want to add an apps over here. Just click to the setting. Once I click over here, then I will just click to these options. It's called this payments, or I will go over that place called, let's find it out, apps and sales channels. Here you just need to be install an apps called DSers. So here I will just redirect myself to Shopify app store, and here I will search for DSers, and here this one will be the great app. So I will just install it on my Shopify store. Just click to the install, and it will take a while to complete the process. Here you can see it already been done, so I already associated like DSers. Let's click to the install, and it already been associated with DSers, so it's really amazing here. So now here you can actually see it that DSer is looking for authorization. Yes, I will click to the login and authorizations. Once I click over here, then they will ask for the password. So let's paste my password over that place, or if I forget the password, I will just click over here and then I'll paste my Gmail. So let's paste my Gmail over that place. So I will copy this one and then I'll paste it here, and just they provide us the email instruction, and here actually you will get the options for email. So here you can see this is the password, reset password, and I am going to provide my password over that place. So let's paste my new password. My password has been resetted, and I am going to provide password over here, then copy the mail address, and I will log in to my DSers account. Once I log in here, now I can easily create, like add and find products over that place. So here, as you can see, this is the AliExpress. So I am in, I will close all the things. So I will just give you the simple process to add products. So you just need to click over here, or add to import list. Just click this one, add to import list, and just click to got it, and again click to the import list, and it's already been imported here. So I will click to the check, and once I click over that check panel, so here you can see this already been added. So post to store here of what is our website address. So it is a FQ. So here let's see, does we have this one FQ. Let's again try to find it out. Come back to this one, and let's refresh this one. Like here you will get the selection for your store. So let's see what was our website store address, FQ. So it is not yet connected. So let's go to this panel and just go to the sales channel, and here this user, and open app. Here you can see it. So we just need to connect our store also. So I just need to be confirm upgrade to no store or available. Please try again later. I want to change the account or shoot. So here when you will connect, you just need to select your address, and once you address, you just need to click to the post store, and in this way it will be imported perfectly with your store. This is the easiest way to import your product, like add your product over that place. I hope you love this video. If you think this video was helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.